What's up? It's your Nemo and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be refreshing this. The last time I put color on it was Strawberry Leopard Teal the Show. Today I'm going to go over it with blue. It's just looking kind of faded and kind of murky, muddy looking, and just not really a vibe. So I'm going to be using the XMondo Super Blue to refresh my hair, make it more of a blue, and yeah, I'm going to get my gloves on and let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes, maybe 45, rinse in cold water, and come back with the results. Alright, rinsed out and blow dried, and here we are. Nice and blue. It's kind of more of a smoky blue, kind of. But that's alright. I think next weekend I'm gonna go ahead and put yellow over this to make it green. So yeah, that's the plan for the next video. So if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's for you to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.